Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday. I say good morning, but it's literally like 10 to 12. Had the protein pancakes by MyProtein that I bought. They're a bit dry, a bit underwhelming. I did get the unflavoured one though, so like there's no like massive flavour or anything in them. First off, they do just kind of taste a bit eggy, but I think I need to try out some different type of recipes because I've seen a lot of people have done their own take on how to make them. So I'm going to try a few of those before I actually make my mind up as to whether or not I actually like them. It might be that I need to play around with the recipe, put some more sugar or maybe some eggs and just make it my own a little bit, but they were decent. And I am about to take some pictures. And I also have all these brushes that I need to clean today, and I think I'm going to go to the salon with my mum. Doing some bits in the salon, tidying up cupboards and the reception desk and stuff, and it started thundering and it's a bit lightning, and it's probably one of my favourite weathers to just sit and not do anything with. Hey, it's Monday today. Went for a run. It was probably the worst run of my entire life, I'm not gonna lie. It was just difficult. It took me 20 minutes to do 3 kilometers. 20 minutes. What's wrong with me? I did it, I felt it, I came back home, it's done. You know, we got moving, the body's all warmed up. I had to tell you something, alright? This is the first time I've ever used a protein powder to cook with. So I've just made some porridge oats. So I put my normal serving of porridge that I have with my milk, and I thought, why don't we try and make some protein oats? Pro oats, aren't they? That's what they're called. So I put like half a scoop because I didn't want a full scoop because I don't want it to be thick. So I did half a scoop of my coffee caramel protein, and not only did it make the porridge creamier, it definitely made it taste really good. When I have protein with milk, it does make me feel a bit sick. It's a bit sickly for me, a bit rich. So I just throw a bit of strawberries in there, you know, to cut through the sweetness, and mate, delicious. All I can tell you, delicious. Hello. It's Tuesday today. Feeling the hand gestures. Oh, Davina made cinnamon rolls yesterday and they were actually delicious. I'm just on my lunch now. The whole family has gone to the salon to help my mum. Oh my god, almost all downstairs. With kind of cleaning out and reopening and that business. So I have a really nice and peaceful house today, and that is absolute bliss. I'm just about to make my lunch. I'm going for some nice kebab wraps today because I got some of them from Asda the other day and they're not the best things ever. And then like he was doing this for a period of time.
Wait, what am I in story? Am I in story?
Who is he? You look like a pelican.
Let me see.
Just come back from a run. It, again, the greatest. At first it was feeling really good, like my pace was on point, everything. And then it hit like 2 kilometers, 1.5, and I was like, what is going on? Had a really fun pub quiz sesh with Charlie and Macaulay. It's there. We used a YouTube channel. I think it's like the pub quiz guy or something. I'll link his channel below, but he's got loads of different types of quizzes. I really want like some new shelving in my room, and I just don't know, I'm just fed up of looking at my 4 walls. Like I love this area with my bookcase and my pictures and on that, like I love this area, it's cool, but I just look at this wall and it just looks like so blank, and I want like maybe a series of shelves. Yeah, I was about to watch the Vikings. Did you see that? And there's a storm going on again outside, so I thought I'd share it with you.
Whoa! No, when I just came in, that was funny. Whoa! That was mad. I missed it a bit.
Hey, okay, so we're on Wednesday today, and again we had a really lovely thunderstorm yesterday, but that's not what I'm here to tell you about. This just came. I'm very excited. Oh man, these things really brighten up my day. Like, they just make me feel so happy for such a long time. Oh my god! What the hell? This is so cute. Oh yeah, rocking that little clear bum bag. What? So this is the Midsummer Festival collection. So we have this glittery eye quad, which is kind of like pressed glitter quad, and that is what we got in blue pearl, which is quite interesting because I would never have bought this for myself. Some makeup melting cleansing cloths, makeup wipes. We have H2O Skin Drink Pure Hydration Gel, and then we also have the Pixie Lip Lift Matte, and then we have some temporary tattoos. Thanks Pixie. Oh, can't forget about the bum bag. Thanks Pixie, that's really made my day. Anyway, happy hump day guys. Parkour. Hello. This is the situation. This is the situation. Pure mess. You know, you can still see my eyebrows, which is incredibly annoying, but we're getting there, you know. Oh my god, I use these glitters on my eyes. I use those Pixie glitters on my eyeballs, and I love them. I actually love them. I need a new makeup drawer, and I've also decided today, don't know if I said this, but I'm gonna reorganize my whole room. I say reorganize, I'm buying a bit of furniture. I'm going to change out the bed. We're going to get some nice shelving up across the back wall, and we might get one of those Alex drawers right by the bookcase so I can store all my makeup there instead of here. I can't stop staring at myself because I feel like I just look so cool. My inspo was this. Can we see? I didn't take a picture. I'll be right back. It's Friday. You know when you know you've got loads of things to do and you don't have the energy to do all of the things? Me. Oh, we got like fake grass in the garden now. Like, this just happened today. And look at this. Look at this lovely, beautiful sofa. And there is our fake grass. Look how beautiful she looks. I decided that we've got a load of icing left from when Davina made her toffee cake, which was delicious. I don't know if I told you, but it was actually delicious. And I'll try and make like some stevia cupcakes, or like kind of diabetic friendly type ones, well, sugar-free ones. I found a recipe online, which obviously I will link below. It's me bagels, and that is what I'm just going to do now. I was going to edit the vlog, but I can't be bothered. I'm not there. Your posture really gets me. Why? You faker! She staged it. Oh, Davina's sitting with us now. Us. Well, I was just going to tell them about my Saturday because I have... Oh, you're not in it. That's okay, I don't want to... Hey, cheers. Cheers. I was going to tell them about my Saturday. And how we've been to the salon. Well, I've been to the salon. Doing bits, and how I wash my bed sheets, and how I exercised this morning.
I haven't exercised in like 4 weeks.
I think it's been longer than that.
Oh.
Why is the word
I
fat?
didn't. Whoa.
Like, it's an adjective, but why does it have so many negative connotations?
Boom.
Welcome to our table talks. Should we do a podcast? And that is the end of our table talk. You know, at the same time! Actually, that's an idea. I'm in bed. What is going on? Am I in focus? Hello? And I feel gross. Oh my god, my eyes. Because it might need that they mean